Around the world, in developed as well as developing countries, libraries play an important role in the dissemination of knowledge. The availability of information resources can often mean the difference between poverty and prosperity, particularly in underdeveloped communities. A library is not a building stacked with books. It is a repository and source of information and ideas, a place for learning and inquiry and for the generation of thought and the creation of new knowledge. Public libraries in particular have the potential to bridge the gap between the information poor and the information rich by ensuring that people from all sectors and settings of society and the economy across the world have easy access to knowledge they seek. One library per village dream. We dream of a prosperous world where knowledge is equally shared among rural or urban, rich or poor without any discrimination. We dream of a society that is not poor, a world which is literate, healthy and empowered. One library per village mission. To support scholarship, intellectual growth and critical inquiry, and to promote a continuing love of learning in a welcoming space where people choose to gather. To create awareness and share the latest tools, services and resources which enrich the experiences of users of the libraries and enhance their learning and career development activities. One library per village vision. Libraries as universities. Libraries as community centers for diverse populations. Libraries as centers for the arts. Libraries as community builders. Libraries as champions of youth. Tuition.com is a social network platform for collaborative learning which connects students with expert tutors of their choice, and also it helps in getting right resources and guidance for their career development. More than 30,000 expert tutors of Tuition.com clarify the doubts of students. Students can download expert prepared notes or books. Students can attend online tutoring with experts of their choice. Advantages of one library per village. Read millions of ebooks. Clarify doubts with expert tutors. Attend online courses. Apply for national/international jobs. Create collaborative learning groups. Attend online tutoring. Attend lectures and seminars. Play educational games. One library per village. Help to bridge the digital divide. Common people in rural areas face significant challenges when it comes to IT access, including infrastructure problems and setup costs. The library should be within the reach of local area. It should be accessible to all within the village. One library per village. Play a vital role in community development. In rural areas, the local library, along with the village hall, pub and shop, is the focal point of community life. It's a safe, trusted place for meeting friends and neighbors, a place for learning, information and leisure, and sometimes just a place to keep warm. One library per village. Help to combat social isolation. Libraries are social places where people can chat, read and keep in touch with the outside world. Laymen who can't access computer or tablets get support. One library per village is a revolutionary notion, and when people don't have free access to books, then communities are like radios without batteries. You cut people off from essential sources of information, mythical, practical, linguistic, political, and you break them. When a library is open, no matter its size or shape, democracy is open, too.